I remove the starter here under the chassis, not here. I never do this one here. That's easier there to access. You should a little bit patient doing that one. Starter, see. One I remove. This one. It's the new one. Small part. Small one. New vlog again mga kabram, mga kabagis. Samahan nyo po ako sa paggagawa ng starter. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bagong vlog naman, papalit tayo ng starter ng Genesis. Oh, safety first the Lord. Oh, yes, put jack here, other side, then two stand, and then front crocodile jack. Safety first. Remove this cover here. Remove it already. One more bolt so that we can access, we can see the starter there. So I'm using mirror here to access the bolt here. This one is the starter here. Oh, we remove it already. This one. One man down. Oh, this one here. Press that off here so that we can remove it. Okay, remove this. This one. See. One. Now see. That's the one I use mirror. Use. Right. You can use 14mm from this side, and then the top. That's only 2 bolt to remove this starter. Okay, top. This is the easiest way to access. Remove the starter. We remove the 2 bolt already. Yes, you got it here. And then it's the starter. I need to here. We got the starter. Here. Amen. Ito po yung new starter, bagong starter na papalit natin, new starter. Remove the starter already of Genesis Hyundai. It's the original parts of the Genesis. This one is a little longer than the remanufactured Duralas. I remove the starter here under the chassis, not here. I never do this one here. That's easier there to access. You should a little bit patient doing that one. Starter, see. One I remove. This one. It's the new one. Small part. Small one. It's the one I removed there. Under the one. Transmission under chassis here. It's new one. New one is smaller than the original one. So half inch or 1 inch, I think. I never touch any stuff here. Just under the one there. Okay. Ito po pagtanggal. Napakasimpleng tanggalin. Starter ng Genesis. Ito yung bago. Mas maliit lang kasi. Mas maliit ng one is yung original, mas mahaba. Ito nakuha sa yun, order. Hindi po ako nagtatanggal dito. Kasi sa yung mga nakikita nyo dyan, dito sila nagbabaklas. Ako doon talaga, under chassis. Yung pinakakuha ko under chassis, tapos stop yan. Mga yan. The new starter here. Here. Starter, remove the bolt here. And then the one, and put it in this stuff here. There's like an angler here. So call that 14. Or else if you want, you remove this. We mount 14 millimeter bolt. You can access this one there, and then the bottom here. Be patient if you're removing this one. It's easier than the top. There's a lot of space here. The new starter here. We'll put it here. One here. Okay. And then we'll tighten that one. Tighten it. This is 14 millimeter here, and then on top. Tighten it. 14 millimeter here, and then in the top. This one on top. So we return this one, and then tighten it. So, almost done already. Yan po. Okay. Then use the bolt. So we return this one, and then tighten it. So, almost done already. Yan po. Okay. Then use the bolt. Ini 13 millimeter. Okay. Last one. Ito po ilagay natin. We're done already installing starter of the Genesis Hyundai. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye. See you again the next vlog. Ingat po kayo lagi, mga kababayan, mga kabro, kabagis. Thank you. No, mga kabro, mga kabagis, we're done already. You need to test drive this one, Genesis Hyundai 2013. New starter already, and then I check all the wirings in the DTC emission control, and then the stuff in front. So a lot of wire losing, even the harness. I check it already, so it's good already. Ito po, test drive po natin. Then test drive it. Oh, good. That's good. Ito, good na po. It's good already.